Dear students, now we are going to discuss about hexadecimal to octal conversion and its problems.
Hexadecimal to octal conversion. It is a simple conversion method where we are going to use two steps. In the first step, we are going to convert hexadecimal to its equivalent binary value. After converting into binary, that binary value can be converted into its equivalent octal value. Hexadecimal to binary, binary to octal. Okay. So hexadecimal can be represented as a group of 4 binary bits. Octal can be represented as a group of 3 binary bits. So this conversion is very important. Octal to binary, each octal digit can be represented as a group of 3 binary bits. Okay, you should understand how do we get the binary equivalent. Okay, so as I have already told you, so here if I want to get the 5, octal 5 in terms of binary means these all are the position values or the place values. So if I want to find out 5, then I can add these two values 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 means these two bits should be 1. So first bit and the third bit should be 1. Okay, so 5 can be represented as 1, 0, 1. 6 means 4 plus 2. So here 1, 1, 0. Okay, so likewise the hexadecimal value can be represented as a group of 4 bits. Here place values are 1, 2, 4, 8. So based on this we can obtain the respective binary equivalent. If I want to get number 8, hexadecimal digit 8 in binary means where there is a 8, here the fourth bit. Then the fourth bit should be high, that is 1. The remaining bits are 0. 9 means fourth bit 8 plus 1, that means first bit. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we can make the 8th bit means 8th value means fourth bit. Okay, it is 1 and first bit is 1. So we can obtain 9 is equal to 1001. So likewise in hexadecimal 10 can be represented as A, 11 can be represented as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. Okay, so these all are the respective binary values. Let's solve some problems in hexadecimal to octal. Convert the given hexadecimal number 2A5C to its octal equivalent. So here we know that there are two steps. In the first step, the hexadecimal value is converted into binary. Correct? So how do we convert this hexa to binary? First step, we have to write down the given hexadecimal as such. So each hexadecimal digits can be represented as group of 4 bits. So 2 can be represented as 0, 0, 1, 0. A can be represented as 1, 0, 1, 0. A means what? 10. So we can make this is fourth bit is 8, second bit is 2. So that should be high. 1, 0, 1, 0. 5 can be represented as 0, 1, 0, 1. C is nothing but 12. Correct. So that can be represented as 1, 1, 0, 0. So now we have got the binary equivalent value. After the step, we are going to get the binary to octal value. Binary to octal. So for that, we have to write down the binary value as a 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Correct. We have to write down the value as such. Octal means what? Group of 3 bits. So we have to start from the right side to left side. So we have to group the values like this. This is the first 3. This is the next 3. Okay, this 3. And then these 3 are the next one. And these 3 are the another one. And this 3. And the last we can have only 1, 0. So we can insert remaining values. So now we can replace each group of 3 bits into its octal equivalent value. 000 is nothing but 0. 010. 010 means it is, yes, 2. Correct. So 101. 101 means it is 5. 001 means 1. 011 means 3. 100 means it is 4. Okay, so now we have got the octal value as there is no value for the 0 at the leftmost side. So we can write the respective octal value as like this. Okay, so O, this is nothing but O. O represents octal. Sometimes we can represent as octal as O or 25134. The base is 8. Next problem is convert the given hexadecimal number 25b.1c to its octal equivalent value. So here in the solution part, as we know that there are 2 steps. The first step is the given hexadecimal is converted into its binary equivalent. Correct. So for that we have to write down the given hexadecimal value as such. Point, it is B. It is B dot 1C. So 2 can be represented as 0, 0, 1, 0. 5 can be represented as 0, 1, 0, 1. B can be represented as, B means what? It is 11. B means 11. So 11 means 1, 0, 1, 1. So then we have to keep that decimal point as such, and then the equivalent binary of 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. C is nothing but 12. So 12 can be represented as 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary equivalent of the given hexadecimal value. So after converting the binary value, we can obtain the octal value from this binary. So first step, we have to write down the binary value as such. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 dot 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So now we are going to convert this binary into octal by grouping 3 bits. Since it is a decimal point, we are going to group the bits from right to left. For this integer part, for this fractional part, we are going to group from left to right. So here we are going to group these 3 bits and then these 3 bits, these 3 bits, okay, then next 3 bits. Likewise, this side we have to group this 3 and next 3, and here we are having only 2, so we are going to insert 1 0 at the end. Okay, so now we can get the equivalent octal value for the binary. 0 0 1 is nothing but 1, 0 0 1 is 1, 0 1 1, that is 3. 0 1 1 is 3, and then the decimal point, next one is 0, 1 1 1 is represented as 7, then 0. So this is the respective octal value. Okay, so finally we can write down the answer as the given hexadecimal is what? 25b.1c. This is decimal point. This is the given hexadecimal, and this can be converted into 1133.07, and here this 0 doesn't have the value. So we can keep the values as such. This is the octal. Octal can be represented as 4 or we can represent it as 8 as the base value.